Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. The Swift Evolution Parameter Pack's proposal highlights a common issue when dealing with tuple comparisons in Swift. The problem lies in the repetitive nature of implementing comparison functions for different tuple sizes, ultimately leading to a barrier when trying to support comparisons beyond a certain tuple size. It's like hitting a wall while trying to compare tuples of varying lengths. It's just not very flexible or scalable. Now, onto the solution. How do parameter packs come to the rescue in this scenario? Well, by leveraging the concept of parameter packs, we can redefine the function signature in a way that elegantly handles tuple comparisons. By using a syntax like func is less than each t, comparable LHS, repeat each t, RHS, repeat each t, bool, we can effectively compare tuples of any size without the need for repetitive implementation. It's like a magic spell that transforms tuple comparisons into a much more streamlined and dynamic process. To sum it all up, parameter packs offer a clever solution to the tuple comparison dilemma in Swift. By redefining the function signature to work with tuples using the repeat each t syntax, we can break free from the constraints of fixed tuple sizes and embrace a more flexible and efficient approach to comparison. And with that, it's time to wrap up the video. Remember to subscribe for more cool programming tips, hit the like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or a fun programming joke. Happy coding, and until next time.